Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Done with me. Now I'm going to present here is organic farming. It's a trending here in the and which means without use of synthetic inputs. Let's move on to the next slides. Introductions. Organic farming is not anything new technology we brought here now. It's already followed during in ancient times, which does not give sufficient yield and returns to the farmers. In the era of 1960s and era of grain revolutions, the chemical industries become chemical pesticide herbicide ruled everything by increasing the yield and higher returns to the farmers. In India, organic farming is not anything new as it has been practiced from ancient times, with the shifting towards the mineral-based farming and the chemical and technological advancements made in agriculture in the 1960s. India ushered in an era of green revolutions. No doubt the chemical based agriculture process paid rich dividends in terms of higher productivity, which helped in pulling the country out of food insecurity for the burgeoning Indian populations. Present scenario. At present, only 1.2% of world agricultural land, consisting of about 58 million hectares, is considered to be the organic. In India, total area under organic certification is 5.7 million hectares, which includes 26% of cultivable area and rest of our 74% is forests and wild areas for the collection of forest produce. Sikkim has the distinctive of being a fully organic state with a cultivable area of 56,000 hectares. During 2016, on January, Government of India declared that organic state of India is Sikkim. Objectives. Objectives of organic farming, which increases the genetic diversity and promotes more usage of natural pesticides, make sure the right soil cultivations at the right time, keep and build good soil structures and fertility, and control the pest, disease and weed management, and it also maintain and increases the long-term fertility of soils. It also encourages and enhances the biological cycle within the farming system, involving the microorganism, soil flora and fauna, plants and animals. Techniques of organic farming, crop rotations. There are various types of crop rotation is being followed here. It is a technique to grow various kinds of crops in the same area according to the different season in a sequential way. And green manures, it refers to the dying of dying plants that are uprooted and turned into the soil to make them act as a nutrient for the soil to increase its quality. And one more additional information about the green manure, which Daincha Danger is incorporated in rice feed, which may decreases the pH values in salinity soils. According to the research, the pH of 8.7 its salinity, and when a danger is incorporated in the rice field for several months, it reduces the pH of the soil at pH 8.2. So now research is going on about green manure crops, which may also increases the pH of the soil. Biological pest control. With this method, we use a living organism to control pests with or without the use of chemicals. compost, highly rich in nutrient. It is recycled organic matter used as a fertilizer in the organic forms. Yes, there are various principles of organic farming and its health, ecological balance, fairness, and care. Health is being contributed and well-being of soil, plants, animals, and human in earth. Ecological balance. We must model organic farming on living ecological system. Moreover, the methods of organic farming must be fit to the ecological balance and cycle, which could not be bring the tragic problems. Principle of fairness. It provides a quality of life and helps in reducing the soil infertility. Principle of care. Organic agriculture is a careful and responsible way to help the present and future generations and environment. Pros of organic farming, where organic farming helps to increases the nutritional values, better taste, improved human health, food security, environmental sustainability, which organic products which fetches expensive than normal ones because of having a high nutritional values which could not be uh, buy for the poor people which would buy for the rich people because of the healthy and nutritional values about organic farmings. Cons of organic farming. It diminishes the productivity in long term. Time consuming skills is required for organic farming. Organic products are very expensive. It 10 to 30 percentages of is expensive. Lack the flexibility of utilizing the GMO advantages. Is government initiatives were taken for the organic farming mission of organic value chain development for northeastern regions where the Sikkim is located, and mission for integrated development of horticulture, and national project of organic farming, state adapting organic farming, national center of organic farming. National Centers of Organic Farming is located in Sikkim, and I care contribution in promoting organic farming, promotion of the use of biofertilizer, soil health care, national agriculture market, national mission for sustainable agriculture, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Gramin Bandharan Yojana. These are the steps where government were initiated for organic farming. And thank you for listening with my presentations. Next video is with the organic certification issues. I will provide with it 2 to 3 days about certifications of organic farming. And thank you everyone, and keep subscribing and keep following me. Thank you everyone.